Hey everybody, I was just notified by my car that my battery in my key fob is too low, and I want to make a quick video because I feel like this involves two more steps at least than would have been necessary, and it's actually a more it's not a difficult process, but it's a little hard to see how to actually replace the battery in these Mazda fobs. So real quick, just position the camera here. Okay. So the key fob has a little lever here, and what that does is it lets you pop off one. Yeah, so we're gonna find it with a fingernail here. Slide it open, and it pops off the one cover here. Okay, it pops off the cover that doesn't have the Mazda logo on it. What you find here is really just the emergency key in case you need to open the car doors without power. But the battery is actually on the other side. And to get to here, you have to first pop open the little chrome bezel here, not the one for the key ring, but the other side. And just kind of pop that off like this. Make sure it doesn't fall down. And then you need something small and pointy. Pop that in here. And pop the other cover off in hopes that nothing breaks. So maybe take a paper clip or something for the first one, then a flathead screwdriver, and just kind of twist it a little bit. Then this cover comes off. That's the one with the logo and that little hook end here. And then there's an additional cover that holds the battery in place. And I gotta figure out which way to slide it. Pop it. Okay, you just lift that up. And then finally you get to the battery. It's your usual CR2032 battery. Just pop that out. And take a new one. CR2032. You find it every grocery store for $4 or $5 or so. Pop it in, and then we do the same process backwards or reverse. Put that cover on the battery compartment again. Take the cover panel with the Mazda logo. Put that back on here. So the little hook here goes in the opposite direction from the keyring holder. Just pop it back on until you hear that snap sound. Then take that chrome bezel again. It lines up like the other one. Just kind of put it back in place here. And then last but not least, the blank cover. And it lines up these three, I don't know what that's called. Should line up with these three little protrusions here. And you just pop that back on. And you're done. So it's not difficult, it's just a little hidden. It's almost like a little puzzle box. So there you go. If you ever need to replace a Mazda key fob battery, I hope this helped. Bye-bye.